Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurumaki. Today I will cook chicken chashu ramen using all halal ingredients. I will show you how to cook thick chicken bone broth soup, handmade noodles, ajitama, which is marinated soft-boiled egg, and chicken chashu. This ramen is really creamy and tasty. I'm sure that you will love it. These are the ingredients. Let's cook ajitama. To cook ajitama, you need to marinate eggs in the seasoning liquid the day before you eat. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of halal soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of halal mirin, and 1 tablespoon of water, and mix it well. Bring a pot of water to boil, then gently lower eggs into the boiling water using a large spoon. Then boil eggs for 7 minutes. While waiting for the eggs to cook, prepare an ice bath for the eggs in the large bowl. After the eggs have cooked for 7 minutes, immediately transfer the eggs into the ice bath. This makes it easier to peel the eggshell off. Remove the shell from the eggs, then place in the zippered plastic bag and add the seasoning liquid. Close the bag and refrigerate overnight. After 24 hours, carefully cut them in half. Now, let's cook chicken bone broth soup. Remove internal organs and blood vessels from the chicken carcass using water. Chicken carcass needs to be cleaned thoroughly to not make the soup gamey. Cut the big chicken carcass into small pieces. Vegetables. Boil water in a pressure cooker and add chicken carcass. Skim the scum off the top. Add green part of leek, carrot, onion, ginger, and garlic. Pressure cooker lid and pressurize over low heat for 40 minutes. Now let's start cooking chicken chashu. First, cut off excess skins, bones and ligaments from the chicken chop. Poke hole into the chicken chop. This is to make chicken easier for marinating and to make the chicken soft. Roll the chicken and skewer it so it doesn't unroll. Cut the excess skewers. If you have cooking twine, use cooking twine instead of skewers for the chashu as it is easier to handle the chashu. Slice ginger and cut green part of leek. Add a dash of oil into a deep pan and start grilling chashu until skin becomes golden. Turn the chashu over and grill until golden again. Add 500 cc of water, 2 tablespoons of halal soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of halal mirin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, sliced ginger, and green parts of leek. And heat up until boil. Once boiling starts, put otoshibuta and continue to boil until water becomes reduced. Once chashu is cool, slice the chashu evenly. Let's start making handmade noodles. Mix 250 g of bread flour, 250 g of soft flour, 5 g of salt, and 5 g of baking soda into a bowl. Then add 220 cc mixture of water and 1 whole egg. Start kneading the flour until firm or not sticking to the bowl. Do your best because it might be difficult. Gently dust the chopping board with potato starch so the flour won't stick on it later. Knead the flour into a flat shape. You can use rolling pin to help. Continue until the flour becomes 1 to 2 mm thin. Now fold the flour into itself. Now start cutting the flour as thinly and evenly as you can, like in this video. Dust potato starch into the noodles to not stick. After 40 minutes, stop the heat and let it cool down a bit. Open lid and check the broth. Remove vegetables. Use hard cooking utensil to break the bones in the broth. Transfer half of the broth into blender and blend until smooth. And return back the main broth and continue to cook for another 30 minutes. Use a strainer to remove the bone and other large particles from the broth. The broth is finally finished. Look at this delicious and creamy broth. Let's prepare kaeshi. Kaeshi is the sauce used before mixing with soup or ramen. To make kaeshi, add 5 tablespoons of halal soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of halal mirin and boil it. That's it. Chop green onion and leek for the topping. Place the handmade noodle into boiling water and boil it for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Use a strainer to drain the water from the noodles. Now, let's complete ramen. Start adding 3 tablespoons of kaeshi, 2 tablespoons of chicken broth soup, handmade noodles. Place chashu, green onion, leek, ajitama, fried onion if you want, and seaweed.